you can see here, kind of got the same similar issue. So we're gonna swap this bathroom faucet up with that one. See if anything changes. Once again, shut that off. We always shut these off. Under there. We're gonna get under there and start to look at some things. Let's see what we get. As you can see, we got all that hooked up. And as you can see, once again, it's not low water pressure. This is just bad faucets they are installing. That's kind of what's going on. So, yep, as you can see, I got this one out. Clearly it's no good. I recommend don't buy stuff that doesn't have a name on it. Because if you do, it's going to cause you extra problems and extra money. As you can see, this was a low water pressure thing, and as you can see, this water's running perfectly fine. And you just gotta, once again, stay in the middle. Another one. Like, subscribe. Thank y'all again. Stay tuned for the next one.